Hello everyone, welcome to Nature Planet, where we observe and document weird ass animals. But today we're going directly into the lives of X-Rex. We've been walking for 5 hours now, and we just spotted an X-Rex.
Happy, please.
It's around 10 meters from where we're standing right now. And I bet someone's in that helicopter that is right attacking.
Shit, happy, please.
I'm wondering how he got that helicopter, because helicopters are flying in the air.
Happy, please.
It's called X-Rex because it's attacking ex-girlfriends and ex-boyfriends. I just dumped my girlfriend a while ago. It's kinda sad. So if it spots me, I'm totally fucked. Maybe I shouldn't have said that loud. Doesn't work to stand still.
Hey man, I got these on tape. Oh shit.
We escaped the X-Rex and now we're going back home. But thanks for subscribing.